In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders on Wishi. To get started, open the Wishi website in your browser or launch the Wishi app on your phone. Once you're there, sign in to your account so you can access your personal order history. This is important because your orders and tracking details are tied directly to your account. After you're signed in, head to the Me section or open your account or profile area depending on the device you're using. This is where Wishi keeps your personal settings and account-related options. If you're using the app, this is usually easy to spot in the navigation menu. From there, look for the Orders option in your account menu and open it. According to Wishi's support guidance, your order status can be found under Me, then Orders. Once you tap or click into that section, you'll be able to browse through the orders connected to your account. When you see your list of orders, select the one you want to check. Opening the order will show you more detailed information, which is especially helpful if you've placed multiple purchases and want to confirm the status of a specific item. Inside the order details, review the current status of the purchase and look for any available shipping information. This is where you can typically see whether the order is being processed, shipped, or delivered. If tracking has been provided, it should appear here as well. If you need your Wishi order number, check the confirmation email that was sent after you place the order. Wishi sends a unique order number by email, so your inbox can be a quick way to find that information if you don't immediately see it in the app or on the website. It's a good idea to search your inbox for your order confirmation if needed. To track your shipment more closely, open the order details and look for any tracking updates that are available. Keep in mind that shipping and fulfillment times can vary depending on the retailer supplying the item, so some orders may update faster than others. If you need to manage a return, Wishi's current instructions for the iOS app are to go to Settings, then Orders, select the order, and choose Start a Return. Make sure you open the correct order before beginning the return process so you're working with the right item, and that's how to check your orders on Wishi. Once you know where to look, it's a quick process to review order details, find your order number, check shipping progress, and start a